as the Chief Minister is now concerned, he has now written a fresh letter to the cadre of the DMK. Amid the language imposition debate, Stalin writes another letter to the cadre where he is hit out at the BJP on the language row, reiterating that Hindi is not the official or the national language, calling it that India is a union of languages, and Stalin, who has quoted Gandhi and Nehru on the language issue. Let's get in a word from Varshni once again. So another letter that we're looking at, Stalin now writing to the DMK cadre there, and this is mainly as previous letters that have also been written by him in a way justifying the act when it comes to defacing Hindi signages or Hindi boards at railway stations. And now he seems to be also going further when he comes to quote Gandhi or Nehru on language policy.
Absolutely, Amita. This is the 8th letter that the Chief Minister is writing to his cadre with regards to the Hindi imposition row that the DMK is taking up. And in this particular letter, he speaks about how Hindi is not the national language, and Hindi does not, everybody in the country do not have to learn Hindi, and that a fake or a completely factually wrong propaganda is being done by the BJP and its ideological outfits is what this Chief Minister is alleging. And he's also speaking a little bit of history in this letter as to how the country was divided into multiple states based on the languages that were spoken regionally, and how DMK had been a part of this committee that was formed under the former Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, and how the DMK has been from day one speaking about how every state has to have its own language and has to have its own autonomy and has to have the authority to take decisions based on their local language and culture. And that is what they're continuing to do so till today, and that they will continue to fight for the language rights and stand against Hindi imposition is what the Chief Minister has essentially written in the 8th letter he's mentioned to his cadre.
All right, so here is MK Stalin hitting out at the BJP on the language row, reiterating Hindi not a national language, calling India as a union of languages, where he's made certain quotes from Gandhi and Nehru on the language issue as far as this new letter that he has now written to the DMK cadre. Let's in the